Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a friend on Mecha Break. So let's say, for instance, if you have a lot of friends and you'd like to manage that list and you'd like to delete a couple of friends, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the comms option at the bottom left corner. And then from the options that appear, you should see the contact section. So simply select the friends and find the friend that you'd like to remove. So let's say, for instance, if you like to remove this particular friend, all you have to do is select them or highlight them and then select the more option. And then from the options that appear, simply select delete friend. So select that and then you should see this warning, remove this player from your friend list. All you have to do is select confirm and that player will be, or rather that friend will be deleted from your friends list. So that's basically it on how to remove a friend or to delete friends on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.